Audible trial at audible.com/PaxNow. Audible, turn anytime into storytime. This is Jason White, and you're listening to 97.1 Sports Animal. Now, the Sports Animal forecast from Channel 8. This is Kelsey. You're on the my car. Expect blue skies today. Cool night today. There's Saturday Northwest 7:55 in the middle 50s. On that goes for Sunday. Channel 2 there's my car. Or the poets playing sale, whomever. Well, Perkins is out there. You want to bring him in?
Yeah, I mean, that's what you're talking about. And yeah, for 4 to 6 weeks, there's no reason to do that. I mean, if you're going to do that, they got a guy in blue that's probably as good as anybody.
Dakari Johnson. Yeah, Dakari Johnson. Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't think Dakari Johnson's a different thing. I mean, you just readjust and change the lineup around and bring the rotation around and try to supplement it, not by replicating what Kenner provided, but by guys just picking up more slack and trying to fill in the cracks a little bit.
You know, I'm normally, obviously, a player's kind of guy, but I will tell you that this is something over the years in baseball and other sports that really bothers me. I wish that there was some kind of out for a team when somebody does something like this, that you, like, I don't know, don't have to pay them or the pay goes down. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there should be some kind of punishment when a guy does something off the court stupid like this. Should you pay? No. I mean, Tram, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just crazy.
Oh, yeah, now, I mean,
no association's going to agree to it, but...
Right, but look, you wasn't off. I mean, you didn't get into a ball fight. I mean, it's an act of frustration in the game, and I think
it's stupid.
It is stupid, no doubt about it, but you can sort it. I mean, we've all done things like this in terms of just
for yourself.
Well, you never acted out in anger and just...
Listen to me. I went to PSK, so I was taught well.
Most of us have done it.
Yeah,
hit the wall or hit, you know.
Well, run out of gas.
Run out of gas. Yeah. Out of gas today, by the way.
It's two different things, and I will be much obliged if you would respect the fact that it's two different things.
Hey, no, listen, no. Josh Kopelman is the one who reminded me of this. Do you remember the first year that Kanter was here? He punched the standard in back of the basket and missed, I think, a couple of games. Do you remember that, Sam?
I don't remember that, but that's worth looking up. That's interesting.
Okay.
It's true.
Let me, you're saying 4 to 6. Wojo, I thought was sort of 4 to 6 to 8.
Well, I think the reason why Tram said 4 to 6 is because in 4 weeks they're going to reevaluate, but he's not coming back in 4 weeks with this thing. I mean, are you kidding me? This is a serious injury. I mean, it's a broken bone. It's not going to heal in 4 weeks, so I would say 6. But you know what? There's only one fortunate thing is that, you know, the All-Star break out.